Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 4H 2011, and as you know that those cars, the injector are driven directly from the engine computer with two wires. One wire from the fuse and one wire is command from the computer. Different from Toyota, which the coil itself is a computer by itself. It just receives signals. Something called preventive maintenance is very important in these cars. Why? Because if the coil go bad, it will go bad and damage the computer, because the resistance in the coil will be very high and will affect the computer, as you see here in this car. We get a computer from the dealer. When a computer go bad or the coil go bad and damage, do not try to only change the coil. It will fry the coil 2, 3, 4 times. You have to leave it disconnect, put a new one and then connect it. If the part number is the same, it will work. You just have to go inside, reprogram it again. Some company reprogram the computer for you, become ready, but you have to do a parameter reset to program the keys. If you want to do the key, it requires 2 keys. If you do parameter reset, most of the car need 2 keys in order for you to be able to start the car. Okay, let's go ahead and do the programming, resetting and configuration. Here is the car, as you see here. And I'm gonna turn this, hold on. I stopped the video sound and the music so I will not get a strike from the copyrights. Do I have to use Ford Rotunda or Maxi 608? Okay, right now let me start over the procedure so that we know how we're gonna work with it. Okay. Let me see what we have. The software, if the computer is the same one, same year, the software is supposed to be the same. So I gotta go to diagnose, read the VIN, auto detect, Ford US, because the European car also they have their own Ford. Okay, you see this VIN number here ending with 456. What VIN number we have there ending with what? 075, which is different. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna say okay, and then we have to reprogram the computer with the VIN number and the software to adjust it. They say that it's already programmed, but it's not. So this is the 4H 3.5. Hopefully, if the VIN number here is different. So I'm gonna say yes. I gotta go to programming. So now here we have programming module installation. I gotta go here, and then I go to PCM. I need to get the VIN. He asked me, is this the correct VIN? Because the car read the VIN from other place. I will say yes. So now we're gonna wait, turn the key off. Install the new module. I gotta say okay. Turn the key on. I'll say okay. Battery is good. Let me turn AC off. No, that's the radio. What is the AC off? AC is here. Climate control. My battery is good. I'll say okay. Configure, please wait. Calibration has been loaded and checked. Say okay. Turn the key off. Okay, I'm done with this. I go back now. I know the car will not start. Nothing. So what I need to do, I'm going to do parameter reset.
What's the phone number for the shop?
Okay, hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna go back, skip this one here. I gotta go here, hot function. On the hot function, I will go to IMO and keys. I will come here. Do I have to go here, or let me go say no? Yeah, I'm gonna go continue. We're gonna go here, parameter reset. Okay, I'm gonna go do it again. Say yes. It's gonna take 10 minutes, so we're gonna wait for it. Okay, now what do you need to do? Say okay. Parameter reset, PCM battery, PCM power drain, PCM RFA. There's a lot of them. I'm gonna go here to perform parameter reset. Yes, this is for the engine computer and the body control module. Successful module reset complete. Press any button on the key fob for the parameter reset to be successful. Okay. I'm gonna push this one. Okay. Good. Car start. Beautiful. Now one thing left. That connector is still out, so I'm gonna put that one because the still car is misfiring. Okay. Everything look good. Let me start it now. One more. Perfect. No misfire, no nothing. Airbag light gone, everything good. I can go back now. I can go back here, go back here, go back again, diagnose, control unit, PCM. I want to see if I have misfire or not. If you see the VIN number here, it's still there, but if I read it back again, it will be the right way. Let me see data. I believe there is no code at all. Everything look good. I gotta go down to see if I have misfire. A lot of Ford have a lot of information. Gear ratio, transmission. I'm trying to look for misfiring data. Do you believe all this? I don't see it, so I don't want to keep going. Anyhow, the most important, I don't feel it. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.